Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. If this is the first time, you are very welcome. So guys, I just want you all to follow me. Let's do this shopping together. So on this fateful day, I went out and yeah, I'm getting all I will need for all the recipes I will be bringing to you guys. Of course, it's Vlogtober. 31 videos, 31 days is not easy. So yeah, we all should do every bit of it together, okay? So guys, see the price of item in the market. The price, what my ear was hearing, man. Imagine I started dropping stuff one by one. All the things I selected, I was just dropping them one by one because imagine when you pick like two, three, four quantity of a particular thing and you see the price, guys, you will drop it. See, the price was too much. I was just like, wow, what is going on? Because I'm the kind of person that buys in bulk, okay? I buy in bulk, so you can tell like it takes me long before I can return back to the market. And this day, see, I was so vexed because the amount of money that left my account that day. But what, as in, what can we do? We have to like buy stuff in order to create this content, in order to sell, in order to do whatever we need to do with it. Okay. So after buying the baking stuff, all the pastry and other things, I came out and I bought some tiger nuts. Yes, I'm buying tiger nut because I will be showing you guys industrial like this one. You don't need to miss out industrial tiger nuts recipe, the one that when you make it's going to give you money, as in not the one that will go bad in hours, okay, the one that will last for you. And then I proceeded to buying zobo recipe, like all the stuff I'll need for my zobo making. See guys, what you should be expecting from zobo part is authentic fruity zobo drink. I'm going to be doing zobo powder for you, like zobo tea. You are going to have recipe for zobo tea for different ailments like relaxation on diabetes, different. See, you will know how complex zobo is when you finish watching my videos on zobo. So don't even go anywhere. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now because there's a lot coming up, okay? So I bought a lot of zobo because of course I need zobo to show you guys everything, though I'll be making most of them in small quantity because who will drink them. So I will only put the commercial recipe in the description, so always do well to check description. And then we proceed to the mall. We went to the grocery shop there and we bought a lot of spices. We bought all the spices, all the other things that I couldn't get outside the mall. So I was just picking. See, the price of everything has gone up. Let me not even start because it was so exhausting. Seriously, I was just like, wow, all of the time. So I saw this barbecue suya spice and I was just going to give it a try because there's one I bought one time. I don't even know what they. I think the granite in the suya spice was more than whatever ingredient they added, but it was just there. It didn't give me what I want. So I saw this one and I felt like, oh, let me try it. And it wasn't like red, so I'm sure there was no color inside. So yeah, there are so many spices in the market these days, so many products, so many. Yeah, the fun part of this day, I met a subscriber. Like, first time in my life meeting a subscriber, and see, she doesn't even know me, but because of the t-shirt I was wearing, she knew me. So guys, prepare to be seeing my face on this channel. Just prepare yourself. I want to be showing my face partly on this channel so that when you see me outside, you will recognize me without any two words, okay? So this cheese board was annoying me because I thought it was much inside until I started pressing and see the air inside is more than the cheese board. I shall drop it. And here we are like on the queue. We wanted to pay for what we got, and I was telling madam not to throw that ice cream part away because we've not paid. And by this time I've already checked my phone. My alert was just giving me headache. But man need to chop. So we up on to buy some shawarma and then we just sat there while the guy was making it, and yeah, our shawarma is ready. And this is like my breakfast, my lunch. So when I got home, I portioned my meat, I washed them. This is how I portioned my meat. So I just washed them clean before putting them in the freezer. So yeah, this is just part of it. I think the turkey and others was already in the freezer because there's a lot to be done. I was on that, somebody just called to place order for parfait. See, I this is a order of 7,500 naira. With all the money I have lost, I had to do it. I have everything at home. Why not? So this is like 2 days later. Yeah, 2 days later, and yeah, this is my kitchen space. By the way, I've already started removing stuff because I'm about to renovate. Oh, sorry, revamp this place a bit. Okay, so this space has actually been a problem to me because I'm so tired of how it looks like. It's just old, it's just there, okay? And you know now, with the kind of content I'm creating, I just need a vibrant space. I need a space that I can be happy with, at least a bit, so that I can be very happy to go to the kitchen and do what I do best, okay? So why like going online to check for stuff? God, this is not my house. I can't change the tiles or change too much stuff in there with the money going to be spent. So I don't think I have such. So I was online some days back and I saw this wallpaper. It's not wallpaper anyway because it's like sticker, but it's meant for countertop and kitchen wall. Yeah, this kind of stuff. So I went ahead. Let me put the picture so that you guys will see it. So this is it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I know some of you must have seen it before, or better still, you know it or have done it. Yeah. So when I saw it, I was like, wow, this is nice. If I can get it, it will be really helpful. It will at least change my space a bit. So I went online, I checked for it. I saw it in a vendor's profile, and I just like asked how much with the price and everything, plus the way be. See, I was having a headache because I've spent too much this period, and yeah, I'm just trying to cut costs and all that. So I wasn't really going to go for it because the price was too much. So I called my painter. This guy is always the one painting my house whenever or doing anything of such whenever I want to. So I called him, I sent him the pictures, and he said he's going to the market to check if he can get it in Oshogbo. So he called me that morning and said, yeah, that he saw it. He sent me pictures. Those pictures I just posted now, he's the one that sent them to me. I was so happy. I was excited because at least the delivery cost, like it has saved and all that. But this thing is not cheap. It was pricey a bit. I bought it for 9,500 naira. See, I even thought this thing was full because my kitchen is small and the space I plan to do is kind of small. So I told him to buy just one row. See that one row, eh? It didn't go anywhere at all. But see, that's what I can do. I didn't even buy another one. That's what I can do. So yeah, we cleaned the wall because, like you said, we need a very clean wall, like a wall without any stain at all, so that the adhesive on the because this wallpaper comes with adhesive. So for the adhesive to actually stick very well, you need your wall to be very clean. So we went ahead and washed the wall. We use iron sponge. You know now, here you are cooking every day, not just cooking, where you are frying stuff every day because I literally fry small chops in this kitchen every day. So imagine the oil stain already stick to the tiles, you understand? So I had to use iron sponge. We washed and washed, and later on, yeah, it was really clean. And yeah, this is him. Yeah, he's just trying to fix the whole thing. See, this thing is not easy to fix, so I know I paid him, like I called him, I paid him and say come and do it. But the work that I did in this thing, ah, even me, my body was paining me. The work is not easy. It's unlike the regular wallpaper that you can just put the gum and put. This one, if there's any bump, as in you have to make sure everything align. It's not easy at all. So he was facing some challenges, but I was just there to guide him, like just to share my own light or opinion and all that. And we did it together, and yeah, it actually came out okay. So yeah, this is him doing his work, and so, because this thing wasn't going to be enough, I just told him the area that I really needed it. Okay, that's the area where I use for my videos, as in where the area that we show on my videos. So I just told him those area, and that was very focused on, just in case the thing doesn't go around, of which it didn't. Okay, so yeah, this is everything. Like this is the area that covers. So we just left a slice so that we can put on the counter, like on the countertop. Yeah, that was the last one that we did. But you can see it's already coming together. Imagine you putting this all over the kitchen. Like it's going to transform it and make it look really new. Of which, yeah, if I still want to get the other app because it was even late, like he's already going and all that. So if I still want to get another role, I can just call him and then we'll complete the whole kitchen. But for now, yeah, I'm making video is my main concern, and yeah, that's the area I just highlighted. Okay, so we are just trying to figure out how to put the one on the counter, and that's what he's doing right now. So guys, this is what it is looking like. Okay, so if you're looking to change your space, like you're tired of a particular tile in your kitchen, in your bathroom, yeah, you can go ahead and use this. It's highly recommended. Like, it's good, it's nice, and it's something that even if oil, water, whatever pour on it, you can just wipe it out, and it's easy to clean, it's easy to maintain. Okay, so I'm really recommending it for you guys in case you want it. Yeah, and the first thing I did on this page, guys, I unboxed my new tornado pot. Guys, see, the way this place was giving me joy. You can see what I'm talking about. See how it looks in the picture. See, there's nothing you want to tell me. It's good to invest in your space, like wherever you're working from, whatever you're doing. If it's video that you're making, just try to always improve. Like, do one thing or the other just to make sure you're not where you used to be. Just make sure there is an improvement. Okay, and in my own part, my cooking space is where I want to improve on. Okay, and that is why I went to this extent to make sure that this come together. So yeah, my pot was giving me joy. I just want, yeah, I was just feeling fly. I just wanted to use the space anyway, and that's what I'm doing. So these are the pot sets. It came in six, yeah, six pots, six lids, and yeah, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. This is like the number two, the number one is there, number three is already sitting in the counter, and yeah, that is it. And what do you think about this space, guys? Is this something you would like to try? And this thing is like, it's nice. I don't even know how to explain it, but I know if you know what I'm talking about. If you have tried it, just leave a comment in the comment section so that others can know that it's really nice as well. Okay. So this is what my space look like. I really love it. I'm feeling it, and yeah. So please, if by now you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and like it, comment, ask me anything you want to ask, and love you guys. Bye.